Today I will show how to buy shares of Groupe Guillin SA, listed on Euronext under the ticker ALGIL.PA. Groupe Guillin is a packaging and industrial containers company. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ALGIL.PA to locate Groupe Guillin. Choose the result that shows the Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart for context. Verify the company details and exchange to confirm this is the correct Groupe Guillin share. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio on the platform. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.